Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray and this is my channel, Murr-Made Designs. And you are joining us on day 30 of 365 days of sewing makes. We made it through the first month, only 11 to go. What was I thinking? I don't know. But anyways, today I am joined by a very special guest who joined us on day 8 and showed us another version of McCall's 7841. He likes hoodies. He wears them a lot on the farm. Likes them with the hood, keep out the cold. Made this one also with a kangaroo pocket. And show us your version. It's made out of gray scuba. Line the pocket and put on ties and line the hood with a light blue knit. When did I give it to you?
It was a birthday present. I thought it came from the factory. It's a real sleek, slick design. It's good and comfy. And the hood is a very thin, so you can wear it under a ball cap or a hard hat or any other toques or whatever when it gets 40 below. So it's a good design for sure.
And it has cuffs cuffs on the arms and a band, self band on the hem. How would you like to just turn around for us?
Oh, that's better.
It's perfect.
I would suggest that I never tie these strings up, and I probably would not include them in a design if I was doing it, but it's everybody's personal preference.
Alrighty, good to know. Good to know. So that is McCall's 7841. This is a real winner. If you like casual hoodies, it makes great ones. You'll see a couple more. I've made a couple more of them. So anyways, I just want to thank all of you for your support over the last month. I'm going to post pictures of all of the makes from the last 30 days on my Facebook page. And I just love to hear from you. Just vote which make over the month of September was your favorite, and we'll just keep track for the year and maybe come up with the one that's everyone's favorite for the whole year. We'll see if we get that far. But thank you for your support. I am so grateful for it. I am grateful for my dear husband, and I'm also grateful for what a beautiful fall it is right now. The leaves are just stunning. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I hope you're sewing, because sewing is
so much fun.
Right.